Based on the analysis conducted by the Association of Democratic Reforms ADR on the self-sworn affidavits of 514 current Lok Sabha MPs, a troubling 44% have disclosed criminal cases against themselves. Out of these, 29% face serious charges including murder, attempt to murder, promoting communal disharmony, kidnapping, and 9 MPs facing murder cases, 5 of whom belong to BJP. 28 sitting MPs have declared cases related to attempt to murder, with a majority 21 MPs belonging to BJP. Similarly, 16 sitting MPs face charges related to crimes against women, including 3 allegations of rape. Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Himachal Pradesh are notable for having over 50% of their MPs facing criminal charges. Moreover, 5% of the analyzed MPs are billionaires with assets exceeding Rs 100 crore, with BJP and Congress having the highest number of billionaire MPs. The report also highlights disparities in wealth among MPs as well as their educational background, age, and gender distribution.